Everyone, welcome to our booth. Our booth is in K31E11.2. We are a company to provide the one-stop turnkey project solution. So what is the turnkey project solution? Let's go. You can see we can provide the project service like on-site management and service, kitchen consultants, design and planning, production and logistics, one-site installation and commissioning support. And also we can provide the training in the use of the machine and equipment. And after we sell the product to you, we have a 24 hours on-site service to provide you the support for the after sales. And our products have the 1-year warranty. And we have the lifetime parts and the technological support. So this is the turnkey project we can supply to you. And here you can see we have two mainly on-site installations and maintenance. This is our teams in the local countries to help the customers to do the maintenance and the installation. We can provide not only the cooking machine, the laundry machine, the food preparation machine, and also as well as the dishwashing machine. And you can see our companies have established it for about 15 years for the turnkey kitchen project experience, and we have completed 2,500 projects around the world. We have exported to 148 countries. We are specialized in the hotel and the resort and as well as the restaurant. All our equipment has passed the certificates like CE, UL, ETL. You are warmly welcome to contact us via our WhatsApp and our email. So you can see we can provide the one-stop purchasing solutions like the different equipment, so the customer they can buy in our companies together. They can save their time and save their cost. We can provide is our cooking equipment, the refrigeration equipment, the bakery equipment, buffet supply, food preparation, commercial dishwasher, and as well as some small furniture, and the smallware, the laundry equipment. And here you can see in our video, we issue our video to motives to check our projects and do the installation and maintenance. So as I have said, we have so many projects around the world. Here you can see there are some colors we cooperate, such as the hotel, resort, social organization, restaurants like the fast food, coffee, and tea house. We have cooperated with many different brands like the Sheraton, the Hilton, and some 4 Points, Sheratons in different countries. So we have a rich experience on the hotels and resorts, and also at the restaurant, to some bakery shops, some Western food. So here is a brief introduction of our company, and we have showrooms in Foshan. Welcome you to visit our showroom. Thank you.